Hello boys and girls, welcome to another lesson in occupation. For today's video, we will talk about hand tools. Hand tools are tools used around the house. Here are some examples of hand tools. Tape measure, hand saw, hand drill, hammer, rolling brush. How are these tools being used? A tape measure is used to measure lengths and intervals. A hand saw is used to cut the wood. A hand drill is used to dig holes. A hammer is used to drive in nails. A rolling brush is used to apply paint. Now let's review. The examples of hand tools are tape measure, hand saw, hammer, hand drill, rolling brush. I hope you guys learned something from me today. Have a nice day and see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!